What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Pro Hardware. Today we're going to be talking about the Evolv X and specifically the unboxing of the Evolv X. It goes without saying that for 2018, this is probably the most anticipated case of the year. With its glossy color manual and extensive accessory kit, this case spares no expense. I see no reason this case will not last for years and years to come in multiple builds that you will have. As you can see, Phanteks ships this case with plenty of protection and plenty of foam. When my case arrived by FedEx, it had a little dent in the corner, but that was all cosmetic. It was very well protected. Nothing affected the case at all. So Phanteks, A+ for packaging. Phanteks ships this case in three colors: an anthracite gray, a satin black, and as you can see here, I chose the Galaxy Silver. Phanteks has chosen great materials for this case: sandblasted aluminum, tempered glass side panels that are tinted, and powder coated steel as well. Phanteks redesigned this case for 2018, and the airflow is extra special, and they have improved it tremendously. Phanteks keeps throwing in the goodies with this case. It ships with a universal fan hub, and it also has three 140mm fans included. Removing any of the panels on this case is simply a breeze, from the side panel to the front panel and the dust filters. This case is a water cooler's dream. It has support for 120, 140, 240, 280, and 360 rads. For all you storage fanatics out there, this case has space for 9 solid-state drives and 10 hard drives. Simply amazing that you can use 19 storage devices. The Evolv X comes with an extensive accessory kit. As you can see, I'm holding some hard drive cages. There's 4 of those. It has an extensive set of screws that you can use. As you can see, I'm unboxing a few more of the cages. Like I said, there's 4 of those that can mount in a 2 configuration, 4 configuration in the back, and up to 8 in the front. Phanteks has included a lot of what you'll need to build the case how you want to build it. It has a GPU stabilizing bracket, which is really great. But remember, you will need to purchase the ITX edition for the dual system, which we're going to talk about here in a little bit. Once again, Phanteks thinks of everything. Some of the special features that Phanteks has included with this is digital RGB built into the system. It's on the front and it's also on the sides of the case. It also has USB 3.1 Type-C and a dual system configuration that a gamer or a streamer will absolutely love. Let's talk a little bit about the dual system capability. The Evolv X supports dual system computing when combined with the Revolt X. That's a dual system power supply that Phanteks makes. I have a video of that on the channel as well, so check that out. It can support an ITX motherboard at the top of this case that allows for a second system to run at the same time the main system's running. Perfect for a streamer setup or a home server. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a little bit more about this case, and hopefully it can help you make a decision on whether or not you want to buy it or not. Of course, I chose it for my system and I don't regret it one bit. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and give us a big like, okay? See you next time.